Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to have your minds blown. I am Sean Hawley, and this is Science for Morons. Now, if you're watching this, you're most likely bored out of your minds because nobody watches science videos unless they're completely bored out of their minds and Facebook has become dull and boring. Today, I am going to make an egg suspended in water. You're probably sitting at home thinking, Sean, how does this happen? I drop an egg in the pot, try to make a hard-boiled egg, and it sinks right to the bottom. Eggs don't float. It's physically impossible. False. Physical proof right here. First step in doing this is you take your tablespoon, which this is just a regular tablespoon. Nothing impressive here. Normally, if you want to be detailed, you take an actual measuring spoon, but hey, let's go along with this. And you take 6 of these and add it to about half a glass of water. So you're making salt water essentially. Now, what this does is salt water makes things extra buoyant. Therefore, this is how the egg is going to float. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 tablespoons. And now try your best to mix this up as best as possible. Now once you have the salt mixed into the water pretty well, you take your egg and gently place it inside. Now some of you might already be impressed right now because of the fact that this egg is floating in water, which normally it will never do. Now, if you're not impressed yet, I'm going to impress you even more by adding regular water into here. So the fact that the egg floats in the middle on the line, because what happens is the salt water sits on the bottom and the regular tap water will sit on top. Now you want to add this water gently or else it's just going to mix into the salt water and then your experiment is ruined. I find that by using a turkey baster and sucking it out of the regular water here and then gently putting it into this glass helps ease the water into there and it'll level itself out. So you take the turkey baster and you slowly start putting this water into the glass. There you go. That, my friends, is how you impress people with science. The egg is completely submerged in water, but yet still stays suspended on top of the saltwater line. So if you're ever bored one day and you feel like shocking the world, show up everyone how to make eggs float in water.